Hello YouTube, this is my video of the unboxing and semi-review of the G36 I just got. It's by Heckler & Koch, and I just got it through eBay. It's the Elite one. It's about, it's over $150, so if you see the plastic one at a Play and Trade or somewhere like that, that's not the one I'm talking about. The one I'm talking about is the $150 gun. I got it on eBay for $80, but that was from a college kid, and he was selling his gun, and I just got in the mail today. It's been used in one Airsoft war, so I don't know what an Airsoft war is, but I hope that's not too many BBs that were fired from it. So I'm going to do that now, and oh my god, it's hard to open. But the stats are pretty good. It says that it's 390 FPS with .2 BBs. Now that's not true. With it's about like 380, but that's not really that much of a difference. So it's a great gun. You can't use it in Strike Force though, so that's the only down part. And I'm just unboxing it. It's tough UPS packaging, so. Oh crap, I did it upside down. I don't screw it. I'm just gonna cut it this way. And it's by Heckler & Koch, so I don't know how good that is, like if that's a good company or not, but I hope it is. Alright, looks pretty good from where I am. I just gotta cut this, and it should be good. And, there's not much to say. It's Tuesday, so I just got home from school. I went to extra help today for Chinese. So, man, how do people open these packages? Unbelievable. This guy is through eBay, but usually the packaging isn't like this. Usually it's like more simple. Poe, you're not going out right you're not going out right now, Poe. Poe's my dog. He wants to go outside, but I can't let him because I'm making a YouTube video. Because he almost got out yesterday. He went through the edge of the fence and he almost got out, but thank God he didn't. That would really stink. Man, I can't get it in here. But it also comes with a red dot scope. So, alright, please let me open this. Yes, oh, jeez, I cut through the box. Oh, that is not good. Alright, I got this in a vacuum cleaner box. I don't know why, but I did. This is the red dot scope, I guess, and these are the BBs. Alright, this guy definitely is not very, organized. Oh, nice. Snazzy. I don't know if this guy put batteries in it already, but, alright. Looks pretty good. So I'm just going to turn this off now, and I'll do a review in a couple of minutes.